Here is a very important test question on natural log. We will consider horizontal stretch by a factor of half. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have taken a very important question based on natural log. We are given the function g of x, which is 3 minus ln x minus 4. State domain of the function g of x. Write the function h of x, which is horizontally stretched by a factor of 1 over 2. Write domain and range of h of x. So that's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question. Well, in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Now let's look into the domain and range of this particular function. We are given that g of x is equal to 3 minus ln x minus 4. Now as far as the range is concerned, it is all real numbers, and so we are focusing on the domain of this particular function, right? So for domain, we know one thing, that x minus 4 should be positive, right? So x minus 4 should be greater than 0. So that gives us that x is greater than 4. So that becomes the domain of this particular function, right? So we can write domain of the function is x belongs to real numbers, where x is greater than 4. So that is part 1 or question 1. Now question number 2 is, write the function h of x, which is horizontally stretched by a factor of half, and write domain and range of h of x. So now let's look into the function h of x. Let's take it on the next page. So we have the function h of x, which is horizontally stretched by a factor of half, right? So we are referring to g of x, right? Horizontally stretched. So g of x is actually horizontally stretched to get h of x. So h of x will be equal to, since we have a factor of half, it should be g of 2x, correct? Now g of x is given to us as 3 minus ln x minus 4. So that should be 3 minus ln 2x minus 4, correct? So that becomes the function, which I could actually now rewrite as ln 2x minus 2. Makes sense? So that becomes the transformed function. So h of x is the transformed function over g of x. Now let's look into, so that is our question 2. Question 3 is, write domain and range of h of x. Now clearly, x minus 2 means we have a horizontal, the vertical asymptote at x equals to 2, right? So as far as the domain is concerned, in this particular case, x minus 2 should be greater than 0, which implies that x is greater than 2, right? So we see that the vertical asymptote now moves to 2. Do you see that? So we have domain of this particular function as x belongs to real numbers, where x is greater than 2. So you can see when you do horizontal stretch by a factor of half, which is basically compression, the vertical asymptote changes, right? And of course the range remains same, which is all real numbers. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. So when you do horizontally, stretched by a factor of half, in that case the vertical asymptote is also moving half the distance, right? So that is how you should be doing it. So I hope this is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'll be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.